Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, sir. This is Ajay. Okay, so basically, let me clear one thing that I'm leaving college.
Why, ma'am?
I
You
don't.
almost in the going to enter in the final year, third year.
Yes, I will be, but sir, now I can't do it. I am a son of a businessman, but my father is a graduate in arts, and I don't think he learned business from his college. Probably he'll agree too. लेकिन मेरे पापा की तरह कई सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो पढ़ते कुछ और है और करते कुछ और है और कहते हैं कि डिग्री तो सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए होती है। शायद इसीलिए हर कामयाब इंसान आज एजुकेशन सिस्टम पे सवाल उठाता है, जैसे कि
Bill Gates, Larry Ellison, Steve Jobs, these guys didn't graduate from college.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम की शुरुआत हुई थी वो इसलिए नहीं हुई थी कि आपका माइंड डेवलप किया जा सके, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
Most degrees are extremely irrelevant now.
आपको एक ऐसा आदमी बनाया जा सके जो कि अल्टीमेटली या तो गवर्नमेंट के काम आ सके या कोई बहुत बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसके काम आ सके।
Big companies want you to have a degree.
Doesn't matter here anymore.
Going and spending $30,000, $50,000.
Dude, it makes no sense.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all.
But who's gonna give people who are currently in college this bad news?
So now that you know my relation with our education system, I would love to tell you that. So finally I left my college. Do I regret it? Absolutely not. To be honest, I never wanted to go to college. लेकिन मैंने फिर भी एडमिशन ले लिया क्योंकि सब कह रहे थे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कर ले, 3 साल की तो बात है, डिग्री है, कहीं ना कहीं तो काम आएगी. बट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट कि whenever something becomes a necessity for humanity, you will not get enough return of your time, energy and money. What are human necessities? Health, education, खाना वगैरह. और इन सब सेक्टर के अंदर लोगों को पता होता है कि जो उनके क्लाइंट्स या कस्टमर है वो हमेशा आते रहेंगे क्योंकि ये एक हर इंसान की जरूरत है और इसलिए उन प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज की क्वालिटी के अंदर कॉम्प्रोमाइज चलता है क्योंकि किसी को क्या फर्क पड़ता है. एंड क्योंकि कॉलेज आना एक कल्चर बन चुका है, दैट्स व्हाई नो वन आस्क व्हाई टू दीज इंस्टीट्यूट्स. दे मेक पेइंग फीस एज इजी as possible, but if you have a problem, उनका एक ही जवाब होता है, there is a system and we have to follow it. Like what the and COVID made me realize that I have to be accountable for my future. क्योंकि ये कॉलेजेस एडमिशन के टाइम तो कहेंगे हम आपका फ्यूचर बना देंगे, लेकिन जब कोर्स खत्म हो होगा तब कहेंगे सब अपना अपना देखो क्योंकि दुनिया ऐसे ही चलती है. And to be honest, they are not wrong. It's a fair game. But if I know all of these, then why should I waste my time and money of my parents? और जहाँ तक बात education की है, I think connecting education to an institute make all of us an orthodox. See, there are a lot of ways to get educated. Don't look for validation from a well-known institute, क्योंकि even a degree from Harvard with no skill will pay you absolutely nothing. But a skill without a degree can take you anywhere. And to be honest, I think there are a lot of ways to learn. Like just go Google it, read blogs, watch videos, buy courses. And I do think कि वो time दूर नहीं है जब you will be able to buy a course of A.R. Rahman for music, Christopher Nolan for cinematography or any other industry leaders and you can learn from them. This is the future of education and this is decentralized and way more efficient. And to be honest, at the end of the day, it's all about curiosity. मतलब कौन कितना जानना चाहता है किसी चीज के बारे में, क्योंकि ट्रेडिशनल जो वे था वो भी बुरा नहीं है. If you still want to follow that, you can follow it. But if you are curious enough, then there are a lot of ways to study in an efficient way. So let me know what are your thoughts about this topic. Now welcome me to the official group of dropouts. It sounds cool. And now that is it from my side. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.